have developed different variations to adapt to chilly climate and guarantee their endurance in cruel winter conditions. These transformations incorporate physical, physiological, and conduct changes that permit them to save energy, keep up with internal heat level, and find food sources throughout the colder time of year season. Here are a few key subtleties. Birds' feathers assume an essential part in shielding birds from the virus. They give incredible protection by catching air near the body, which assists with holding heat. Many bird species have a thicker layer of down feathers throughout the cold weather months, which improves protection. Birds keep up with the quality and effectiveness of their quills through dressing. They utilize their mouths to circulate oil from the dress organ onto their plumes, making them more impervious to dampness and further developing their protection properties. Expanded metabolic rate. To keep up with their internal heat level in chilly climate, birds frequently increment their metabolic rate. This creates more intensity as a result of expanded energy creation. A few little birds, similar to hummingbirds, can enter a condition of controlled hypothermia during very chilly periods to ration energy. Perching. Birds search out protected perching spots during the night to preserve heat. They might perch in tree depressions, thick vegetation, or utilize collective perching destinations where a few birds group together to share body heat. When the temperatures decrease fundamentally, birds might shudder to produce heat. Fast muscle withdrawals produce warmth, assisting with keeping up with their internal heat level. Adjusted snout and legs. Some bird species that live in colder locales have particular bills and legs. For instance, the crossbills have cross charges that assist them with removing seeds from conifer cones, and birds like ptarmigans have padded legs and feet to give protection on snow-made progress. Movement. Many bird species attempt significant distance relocation to get away from incredibly chilly environments. They travel to hotter districts with plentiful food assets throughout the cold weather months, guaranteeing their endurance by staying away from the unforgiving circumstances. Food capacity and scrounging methodologies. A few birds depend on food capacity during winter. They crowd food during additional bountiful seasons and conceal it in different areas, like tree hole or the ground, to recover during scant times. Different birds adjust their searching methodologies by changing to various food sources accessible in winter, like berries, seeds, or bugs found in tree husk. proteins. Certain bird species that possess very cool conditions produce specific proteins that forestall ice development in their tissues. These liquid catalyst proteins permit them to make do in freezing temperatures by bringing down the edge of freezing over of natural liquids. Variation to metropolitan regions. Birds in metropolitan conditions might exploit human designs for sanctuary and warmth. They might look for asylum in structures, vents, or other safeguarded regions that offer protection from the virus. It's vital to take note of that different bird species have shifting transformations relying upon their living space, diet, and size. These transformations aggregately assist birds with enduring chilly climate and increment their possibilities of endurance in testing winter conditions.